Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, we're dealing with horrible lighting. I feel like half of my vlogs start in the F45 parking lot. Okay, what is happening? All right, my car's like freaking out, making all these noises. Hello, happy, what day is it today? Tuesday. I didn't vlog yesterday, so I'm like so off. I'm lost because I've been vlogging almost every day and then I just didn't vlog yesterday. So I'm like, what day is it? Where am I? Who am I? Anyway, hello, welcome back. I just finished at F45. It was a lifting day. I love lifting days. Those are my favorites. And it was a good workout. I got a little bit sweatier than I expected. I'm gonna hold my camera because whenever I go over this bump and turn, it always goes flying. So, it was a great workout. And today's gonna be a good day. I have a lot on my to-do list, which I'm always like a little ambitious, you know? Like I only have however many hours, like that's not all gonna get done, but it's okay, we're gonna do our best. So, I'm on my way to the CrossFit gym, one of the locations. There's two locations. I'm on my way to one of the locations because I'm going to do a body fat test. If you've been around my channel for a while, I've been doing this for a little over a year. They come every quarter, so I think this may be my 6th time doing it. And you basically go into like a bathtub and it just checks your body weight. Like it's really cool. You just fully submerge into the bathtub and then there's like a scale and it tells you your like weight and your body fat and all that kind of stuff. So personally, I mainly do it just to see where I am. I'm not really like, I'm not training for anything. I'm not trying to like lose weight. I'm just doing it as like a benchmark, and it's really kind of helpful to know where you are and like, okay, I lost 2 pounds of muscle or I gained 2 pounds of fat or whatever, because then I can adjust accordingly. So I'm like, okay, maybe I need to be you know, working on my protein intake or whatever it is. It just really gives me a benchmark, especially because like I was talking to somebody about this at the gym the other day, and she was saying that she's been working out and she's gained like 4 pounds and she was kind of freaking out, and I'm like, you gain muscle, like that's most likely you've lost fat and you've gained muscle. And she's like, yeah, I feel like that, but I don't see that on the scale. So anyway, I like this body fat test because it's the most accurate, and it accounts for all that. It accounts for water weight, it accounts for muscle mass. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. And yeah, I'm hoping that I'm kind of like within the range. I'm hoping that like things have not gone crazy, but it's always interesting. So let's see. Whew, okay, you guys, well, I always feel like a wet dog when I come out of there, and it's like, the water is warm, but obviously it's cold outside, so I've got my sweats on and stuff, but I always feel like, ooh, a little cold after. In the summer, it's fine because it's like 100 degrees outside, but right now it's cold, and like obviously my hair is soaking wet because I just totally submerged. I feel like I'm getting so much better at that because obviously there's a little bit of a strategy. So the way it works is you essentially get into this tub and there's like a little weight belt that goes around your waist, and then there's a weight belt that goes under your feet. And then you essentially plug your nose and you blow out as much air as you can, because every air bubble looks like fat. So you want to get out all the air. And I have to say that obviously I feel like because I do this and because I'm working out and stuff, like I think I'm aware and I'm obviously trying to be healthier and better, but I also think there's something to be said about like learning how to do that better. And I feel like I'm getting better and better about blowing out all the air, because I feel like the first time I did it, I definitely did not blow out all the air, which is probably why, if you saw that vlog from literally last September, December, I forget, it was one of those two, like my results came back and it said I was obese, and I'm like, what? Like I can't do any more. Like I mean, obviously I could be healthier. Like obviously we all could be healthier, but like I work out, I eat relatively healthy, I'm pretty active, and I like basically had a meltdown because I was like what else can I do, you know? Anyway, it's all fine now, but she said this was my best one yet, and I don't like to like go too much into like weight or anything, because obviously every body is different and I don't ever want anybody to feel bad about their body or anything, but my body fat percentage went down and my muscle went up. And like, that's really all that matters. Like, that's awesome. And honestly, I have not been prioritizing protein as much, but I'm also eating more. And I feel like when you eat more, you're fueling your body, so then muscle can grow easier. Anyway, I don't know. I just feel like I'm really happy with that. So I started in September 2022. So September, December, March, June, September, and December. This is my 6th time. And just to put it into perspective for you guys, maybe I was a little bit like out of shape when I first started, but in a year and about a year and a half, my weight has not changed more than 4 pounds. My muscle has changed. I've gained, so from September 2022 to December 2023, I've gained 13 pounds of muscle, which is crazy. But I also think that first test was a little off. Okay, let's keep that in mind. So maybe if we go off the second test in December a year ago, I've gained 6 pounds of muscle. That sounds more accurate to me. So let's just go off that second one a year ago, because I just think that first test I messed up. So I've gained 6 pounds of muscle in the last year. However, my overall weight has dropped by 1 pound. 1 pound. So I've gained 6 pounds of muscle. Obviously, I've lost fat, but 1 pound of change. So if you looked at the scale and you saw 1 pound of change, you might be completely devastated, defeated. You're like, I'm working so hard. What is happening? Why am I not seeing any change? But this is proof. 1 pound on the scale. However, I've gained 6 pounds of muscle, and I've lost 5 pounds of fat, right? What was I even at? It said my fat pounds, it says I've lost 8 pounds of fat. Am I doing the math right? Probably not. I'm just not thinking straight. Anyway, whatever. The point is that if I were just going off of a regular scale, I would be like, wow, this isn't working. But this is just proof. And again, I don't want to get into like my specific numbers because I never want anyone to feel bad or whatever. But my point is just don't beat yourself up. Also, we go through phases. Like, I mean, my weight went up in March. My heaviest was March. I was 5 pounds heavier. So a year ago, like in last December, I gained 5 pounds, then I lost 5 pounds, so like, you know, it's fine. It's a journey. We ebb and we flow, but also don't hold yourself to the scale. There's so much more to your fitness journey than the scale. And this is always such a good reminder. So that is my little TED Talk. Thank you for joining. Okay, I'm back home. I've been working for a little bit. I just went downstairs to grab my coffee from the fridge because I put it in there when I got home, and I forgot about it while I was doing my work. Let me show you guys. I need to set this down. I got some cute stuff. I had to run into Target to grab, where can I put this? Okay, I'll just sit right here this is our second Christmas tree. This is like our loft space, and my desk is like right here. Laundry room's behind me. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the wash actually, but I had to run into Target real quick on my way home to grab a prescription for my son because I forgot that he had got a refill, and if I didn't pick it up by today, they were gonna send it back. Anyway, I got a couple things. I've been anxiously watching the clock because my cousin is having a baby at 2 o'clock today. So we're getting kind of close, and I'm so excited for her. And I went into Target, like I said, to get the prescription, but James is having a Christmas spirit week at school, and tomorrow is wear red and white, and he doesn't have, I was looking through his stuff, and it's kind of cold, and he doesn't have anything like cold weather like in all white, if that makes sense. He doesn't have anything like cold weather appropriate in all white or all red. So anyway, I saw this little sweatsuit at Target, and I kind of just thought it was cute and fun. So I got him this little sweatsuit, and everything in the Target kids section was 30% off. So I want to say this was like $15, and look how cute. It's got like some little detail on it. So I'm gonna wash this real quick for him so he can wear this to school tomorrow. I think it's so cute. And then to go with that, I also got him a cute little shirt. So he's very into dinosaurs. So he's gonna love this little T-Rex and with the little buffalo plaid. So this is gonna be his outfit for school for tomorrow. So I'm gonna wash that. And then I also saw this, which I just thought was cute because I was looking through his clothes. I usually prep his clothes for the week on Sunday, especially when they have like a spirit week like this. I like to make sure that I have everything that I need. Anyway, I realized he doesn't really have a lot of like Christmas stuff, like clothing. So anyway, I saw this and this was cute. Another dinosaur. And then I don't really love the light gray on the dark gray. That's just not really like my favorite look, but I figured I could break it up. So here's the little top. And then look how cute these are. So anyway, I got those two things for James. And then like I said, my cousin's having a baby today. And I'm gonna probably, I don't know when she'll be up for seeing people, probably later this week or the weekend or something, but look at how cute. I haven't seen newborn clothes in a while. My baby's so big. I mean, like, look at this. This is just a 5T versus a newborn. Like, where did my baby go, you know? It's just, so anyway, I got this little cute one and then this one. How cute are these? Just like cozy little onesies for the baby. So excited about these. I'll have all these linked below if they're still available, which they should be because I'm only filming this a few days before it's going up, so these should be available. But anyway, that's what I did after. I'm gonna keep working. I have to get a couple things done before I take lunch, and I'm gonna shower on my lunch break because I need to I'm gonna film a video today. I'm gonna film a collective haul, which you would actually see before this because today is Tuesday. I'm gonna film and edit the collective haul and have it go up tomorrow because I got a bunch of fun stuff at Christmas for Christmas that I want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna film the collective haul. I'm gonna try and film the try on, like shower, get ready, and film the try on at lunch while there's still light because the sun sets at like 3 o'clock. It's hard to do a try on after literally 3 o'clock. And then I'll film the sit down portion of the video after work and then get it edited and get it up for you for tomorrow. And then this video will go up on Thursday. So anyway, if you're watching this video, the part 1 of the collective haul will already be up. So I will link that in the cards and below. I'm gonna break it up because I have a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna have part 1 go up. Well, it would have gone up yesterday, Wednesday. And then I'm gonna have part 2 go up next Wednesday. So just because I've gotten so many fun things. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna get to a stopping point with work, shower, and try and get the try on done before I have to get back on. So that's what we're up to. Hello, it's been a few hours now. My guest room is a mess because I'm actually setting up to film. It's about 6 o'clock now. My workday went a little bit longer, so I actually just straightened my hair. I showered on my lunch break, and then I put on like a little bit of makeup and filmed the try on for tomorrow's, or for yesterday's video when you're watching this. With like my wet hair because I just didn't have time. So I just straightened it right now. And so the guest room's a mess because I kind of just like threw the clothes everywhere when I was trying them on. So I have to like organize this and then get ready to film. I also threw some meat in the crock pot. I got top sirloin. I did like about 3 pounds. I found this like 5 ingredient like TikTok, 5 ingredient meat on TikTok, and it's literally just the sirloin, like onions, like onion soup, onions, au jus, butter, and beef broth. And I also bought like some broccoli and some potatoes, and we have rice and carrots and salad. So honestly, tonight I have to get up early tomorrow to coach at 45. So tonight I'll probably just have a little bit of meat and salad, and Josh can either do like rice or potatoes or whatever he wants for his sides. I'll let him figure out what he wants. But anyway, I did throw that in. I'm sorry I haven't vlogged those things. It's been like literally the last no, I guess it's since I've seen you, it's been like 5 hours. The last 5 hours have just been crazy. So I finished my work day. Now I have to organize all this and get ready to film. Josh just got home. I heard the garage open and my parents are bringing James. It's about to get crazy here. and I'll just have to film while the boys are home. Hopefully they can go like shower or something so it's not too loud for my video, but that's what's happening. So it's been a very chaotic day, but we're just gonna keep powering through.
I think you're supposed to use this book and go out when you find me.
What did you get, James? What did you get?
Nice. Whoa.
That is so cool. It's got this whole bug book. It came with a cute bag too. Look at this bag.
Yeah.
Cute. All right, here's how the meat is looking. I think it's pretty much done, but it smells really good. All right, Josh is gonna taste test it. Tell me what he thinks of it. You just put it in one of James's bowls. Is it good? Is it cooked?
Mm-hmm. Mommy. The sauce is really good. What'd you put?
Mommy. A TikTok concoction.
Mommy, I need somebody to help
Good?
me.
The sauce is really good.
Good, I'm glad you like it. So we all got matching Skims pajamas, and I saved the boxes because I think they'll be good for Christmas wrapping. So
Hello,
those
Star.
are Hello, Star. So those are our boxes to put gifts in. We need to put gifts in. We need to put the star. What are you doing? Why are you covering the camera? We need to put the star on the tree up here. So James is gonna put it on this one.
Stand on my shoulders?
Ooh, careful.
I think so.
Or do you think you'll be able to get it from that?
Can you reach it?
I can't.
Stairs up.
No, no. Oh,
Alright, let Danny fix it.
Okay, guys, filming is done. I'm gonna turn off my light. Now I have this whole mess over here to clean up. Let's see, what time is it? I don't even know. It's 8:20. It is so late. I have to get up at 4 a.m. So I'm gonna clean this stuff up. I'm gonna eat dinner, import the footage. I've got to rinse off in the shower, mainly just to get my makeup off and stuff. Like, I'm not dirty. I'm just gonna like rinse real quick. And then I'm gonna try and get to bed soon. So let's get this all wrapped up. This is the problem, not the problem, but like this is the thing about Vlogmas is like it's just a lot. It's like you're editing, you're filming, you're like boom, 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 you know, along with like other stuff like work and like being a mom and trying to keep a somewhat clean house as I'm looking at like all my clean laundry on the bed that needs to be folded. So yeah, I'm gonna stop procrastinating and get going because I need to get to bed in like an hour. Show me your PJs. You have the burgundy ones and Daddy's wearing the green ones.
Come on, Jamie.
Can you show us?
I want to watch the movie.
Okay, you can watch the movie. I just want to see your matching PJs. Okay, I'm gonna try the meat that I made. Oh. It's so tender.
Yeah, it's good. The right size.
Mm-hmm. Okay. This with like some carrots and mashed potatoes would be so good. So this was a 5-ingredient
Where's Jamie?
crock pot on TikTok. It was just top sirloin
Look.
with like butter, beef broth. I don't know, it was so easy. I'll link the TikTok down below in case you want to make it, but this is really good. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm gonna finish importing all the footage and get to bed early. So the boys wanted to say goodnight. You wanna say goodbye to the vlog?
Bye.
Goodbye, vlog.
Bye.
Say goodnight, say what you were just saying.
Bye below.
What? All right, we'll see you
Bye
in,
below.
we'll see you in
And
tomorrow.
bye below.
We'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Bye